by the grace of Allah.
What's your name?
My name is Fatima Nur Saba.
Where do you live?
I live in Mamishin, Bangladesh.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Taha.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza and burger.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink and red.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can. Speak English.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Afra.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing picture.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberry.
Do you have any pet?
No, I don't have any pet.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like many places traveling.
Do you use a smartphone?
No, I don't like smartphone.
What kind of movie do you like?
I like comedy movie.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Dilarson Ovi.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rima Khatun.
What's your school's name?
My school name is Sheikh Johruddin Cricket School.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 8 members in my family.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents.
Are you single or married?
I am single.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Can you cook?
No, I don't cook.
What do you do in your free time?
I love watching TV.
What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment, share.